What if we couldn't remember anything during a conversation? Someone would go up to the pizza place and be like, I'd like to order a medium pizza, please. Sure, and what would you like on top of the pizza? A pepperoni would be great. Right, so what would you like the pepperoni on? A pizza? Awesome, and what size would you like the pizza to be? I just said a medium-sized pizza. That's wonderful, and what would you like on top of the pizza? Just give me a pepperoni pizza! Okay, you don't need to be so passive-aggressive about it. And what size would you like the pizza to be? I'm gonna go to Taco Bell. Okay, sir. That's fine. Just a quick question. Who am I? Not the best experience. So, why are we doing that with our default AI agents? With memory, we can ensure that the AI agent will know the previous history of the conversation and actually reply in a way that makes sense for the conversation. So there's a couple of different options here. Let's jump into Voiceflow and go over them. So I have this very basic Voiceflow project that's going to go over the different memory types. So we're going to be doing this pizza putt place. So let's go over to the prompts for a second. So it's going to reply to the user as if it were a person working at the pizza restaurant called Pizza Putt. It's going to ask for the pizza size, understand the topping, get the address of the person, at the end summarize what has been told, and ask for confirmation from the user. Perfect. So let's test this out with the no memory option, just so we can see what is actually happening here. So we'll click no memory. Great. So let's say we want to order a pizza. Perfect. So it's going to respond to us. Sure, what size pizza do you want? Let's say a medium size. And this is already going to fall down because it doesn't understand any of the context, right? So it's just going to, hey, welcome at pizza place. So let's try the memory plus prompt now. If we go to the response AI step for that, we can see that it's the exact same prompt, but this time we've selected memory and prompt. If we click that button, we have three options. The first one being just using the prompt, which we just tried without any memory. The other one that we're using now is the respond using memory and prompt, which will allow us to actually give it a prompt like before, but consider its memory, which is a history of the last 10 messages that's being sent by the user and from the LLM. And so this is what we're going to test out now. Run test. Let's click memory and prompt. And from here, we can just do the exact same thing. I would like to order a pizza. Perfect. So it's asking us for the size of the pizza. A medium-sized pizza, please. So now it wants to know what we want as toppings. I would like pepperoni on it. And as you can see, it's now confirming if we want the medium-sized pizza with pepperoni. So it's actually doing the AI steps and considering what we've said before in this history. So that's exactly what we want here. Let's go over to the memory only one. So with memory only, it's going to not consider any prompting. So we can't actually trigger it to do anything. But it's basically just sending things out straight to the AI with the history of what has been told so far. So let's quickly remove that line and add this capture step right there. And let's hook that up as well. And let's hook this next step up to the actual capture step again. So perfect. We have this loop going on. Let's run and test this out. Let's select memory only. And let's do the exact same thing. I would like to order a pizza, please. And because we didn't prompt it with anything, it's now just thinking we want the AI to order a pizza, but it doesn't understand what it needs to do. So it's just responding with the actual AI. But we can continue the conversation now. So we can say, why not? And as you can see, it's actually responding as the AI model, but still considering that we want to order a pizza. So it's still using the memory that we have inside of Voiceflow. So generally, you're going to want to pick the memory plus prompt to make it do exactly what you want. But in certain circumstances, you might want to just have the memory and pass it over to the AI itself. So these are the three memory options we have: the no memory, the memory plus prompt, and the memory only. Well, as you can see, the memory can be a very useful thing in your build. You can consider whatever the user has said already and react to it however you want. And in specific circumstances, you might want the AI just to reply without having any prompt at all. In this case, you use the memory only one. So I hope it helped out a little bit in understanding how this memory stuff works and how you can prompt the AI to include the memory in Voiceflow. Definitely check out more videos from us at the Flowbridge YouTube channel, or go to flowbridge.app to easily connect your Voiceflow builds to social channels such as WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. Please like the video, that helps out a lot, and subscribe if you want to learn more about Voiceflow. This has been Mike. Until next time.